Okay, so let me put it inside of the comment so we can understand that what I want to be to teach. So we are right now understanding CSS measurements. Okay, measurements we are understanding, or you can say also measurement units we are understanding. There are different units are there. Okay, so that we are understanding right now. Suppose I want to be a apply to the or if I want to be increase a size, you can check I want to be increase the size of this text. So what I can do, I can write over here, we have the one property that is called font size. You can see I want to apply to the font size, and that font size, after this font size we are using a value. Suppose I want to put to the 45 value, but after this 45 we are going to apply some measurement units. Okay, like one example let me give. Okay, see, this is I used over here px. Okay, means pixels. Okay, you can check if I apply that my size will be increases. Did you get it? So this is just I use the unit I called as a pixel. Okay, there are the px we are writing. Okay, then after, suppose I remove to the px and I put over here inches. Okay, you can check inches. If I put the inches, now check it, what is different are there. Okay, if you don't know that, the letters are, I think so, it's really big. Did you get it? It is very big letter it's happening. So let me reduce the size. I want only the 1 inch. Okay, so even if I put to the 1 inch, you can see how much bigger size I have for my letter purpose. So if you don't know that, the centimeter is the smaller, then meter is the bigger than that, then after the meter we have to the bigger as a inches, isn't it? So these things is a apply for over here also. We have the some different units are there. If you put that unit, then it will be increasing and decreasing size according to your unit. Okay, so that I want to mean, if I put into the centimeter, which one is the smaller rather than your inches, isn't it? Inches is the bigger and centimeter is the smaller. Okay, so these things are there. Even you can put to the percentage also. Okay, so let me put to the percentage type, control s shift, you can say 1% is like that. Did you get it? So we have the different thing. We can put to the inches, we can put centimeters, we can put meters, we can put even your pixels, percentage. Okay, so these things units are there. Whatever the lot of people are taking, that is called the users, or if I developer, you are asking me which things, which unit people are using. So people lot of using the pixels, then again after the developers are using lot of that is called I can say the percentage, then people are using your em. Okay, em also it is important, like if you have the one size. Okay, and if the size will be reduced, okay, suppose I have to do this screen and my size will be going to reduce in another the devices, so automatically that em will be reducing to their size also. So the people are using to their this lot of in their program. Okay, but which one, if you're beginner, we are using to the pixels, because your screens is divided into the pixels. So pixel is very best unit you can use inside. Right now I want to be increased to the sizes, I want to be increased to the boldness. Okay, so let me check. Okay, I want to be increased to the border solid. Okay, black. Okay, control s saved. You can check right now I have the border. Let me first increase my font size so it will be look much better, 45. Okay, and I have the border is there, and this border purpose, let me increase the border size. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to increase to the border size. So this purpose I will be going to, again 45 is really very big size, so I'm going to put at least 5 pixels. Okay, so I'm going to increase the border size. Did you get it? It is increasing. If you cannot able to see properly, let me say I want a 15. Control s saved. You can check it is the 15 inches, or not inches, 15 pixels. It's increase my border size. Did you get it? So these things are over here. We have the unit concept. Unit, what exactly the units are doing? Units are supporting to the measurements, which one can you can increase the things or you can decrease the thing. Okay, same unit is like a one your room. If you want to be a measure the room, or if you want to be a maker any kind of building and you want to be check there the tallness or tallestness, so what happen, we are using to the something inches, meters, or the the we can do that using by measurement tape. So over here also you have the measurement tape, which one you can use the units. Okay, so this is your measurement of your pixels, centimeters. These are the measurement in your CSS. Okay, so after the measurement, let's understand to the color concept. I said that right now after this one, it is very important. Some few properties you can understand relevant to the your programming language. Everything is based on the properties. See, this is the font size, this is the border, these properties we have. That's why we can able to implement some UI designing, isn't it? Means you can it is appear your UI thing. So what we can do over here, I will be going to teach a few different properties which one mostly people are using. If you don't want to use these things, then we can do another thing also. Simple. You can search on the online also. Like suppose I'm going throughout to the internet and I don't know the property name of, I want to be color this text. So what you can do, go simply over here in the search engine and type over here, what is a property for color. Okay, what is a property for color in CSS? If you search over here, you can check. Right now we have to the AIs and lot of things which one can give you to the things like if you want to be changed to the color, we have to the color property. Did you get it? We need to just write to the color. If you want to change to the background, then we have over here background color. If you want to change to the border color, then we have to the border color property. So it is not mandatory. Lot of also we can remember to the things when you going to join the job. Definitely over there you have your Google, you can search to the properly thing. And major is not over here what we can remember, major is what we can make using by we can understand concept. Okay, so let me show like suppose I'm removing to the thing and I'm going to teach properties. I will be going to teach a different properties. Okay, so let's understand a CSS properties. Let me remove this thing. Okay, let me take lot of properties so you can able to get a idea. Okay, control S shift. Let me remove to the thing which one I don't know. Okay, p tag we have. Let's try with the different properties. First I'm going to try the property that is called for p purpose I want to apply. My first property is the color. Okay, you can apply to the which color you want. Suppose I want to apply to the blue color. Control S saved. Okay, now you can check my, okay, let me remove this thing. You can check right now a color is blue, my text color is blue. So this is the one property we learn. Don't worry, we need to learn to the a lot of properties. Okay, not only the one. Even guys, in that color, if you can go, there are a lot of way we can declare the color. Right now suppose I want to be a declare the color not using by this is blue. This is right now whatever we are using. What we can say, which kind of way we have. This is, we can say, the keyword declaration. Okay, keyword format. I'm using to the keyword that is called blue, and then blue color is appear. But apart from this blue, you can write in another way also. Like we have to the hexacode. Okay, hexacode means what, right? We need to write a something hash RR, okay, GG and BB. This is guys, I have the idea about which color is there. Means RGB color I'm going to apply. Now let me show you. Suppose I'm going to apply to the FF, then 0 0 0 and 0. So you can say I want to be a red color. Did you get it? See, this is the way I declare to the color, which call as a hexacode color. What we can say, hexacode. Okay, you can check over here. Color will be appear, just only the way I'm declaring, that is the different way we have. Okay, did you get it? So colors we have. Okay, colors I'm teaching you how we can declare in the different way. Okay, so this is the way we are using to the another. Okay, now after we have a short hexa also. Rather than we are writing very big things, let me use to the background color, and I'm going to not apply ff000. I will be going to apply a hash. Okay, hash, then